Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody. Today this is the third lecture in MSP, Managing Successful Programs. Today I'm going to talk about something very critical in managing successful programs, which is governance themes. What's governance themes? Governance themes is only one thing. It's how to control everything. Control what? Control the program. What is the meaning of the program? You can watch it later. You can watch it, okay? But I'll explain it in brief. Program is mainly about what? It's about you have current state as is, and you need to change your organization or your department or anything that you want to change from what's current now to a picture in the future, to something we call it blueprint, okay, in order to achieve benefits. Simply, this is a program. So in order to make this radical change, it's very risky. Why? Because if this transformation process have any mistake, maybe your organization go to bankruptcy. So take care. That's why managing successful program as a certificate or as a body of knowledge focus mainly on how to manage this process. In British term, management usually means control. So usually we focus on how to control everything. Control what? Control the program in itself, to follow the rules, to apply the rules, to go in the right way. Not only that, but control what's controlled in the program with how we control the organization. So we need to have an alignment between how organization control everything and how the program control its process. Why? Why do I need that? It's very simple. Why? Okay, this is the organization and I have a program separate from organization. Take care. Very big mistake. The organization needs to change something in it. So if you try to change this thing without taking the look of the whole picture, you will make a lot of problems. So you need to integrate between how the organization control its process and how you control what you are going to do, and integrate both together, because at the end you will deliver something for this organization. So in order to deliver this thing, you need to bear in mind that this thing should be aligned with the organization, at least in how to control things. So this one aspect is to control that your control is aligned with the organization control. This is one aspect. The second aspect is we need to assure that we are going right. Program is not trivial thing. Program is about a change in organization. It's about 3-4 years. It's about 6-7 projects, at least maybe 10, 12, 13, 14 projects. It's about lots of people working together. So you need to unite all of these visions into one way. You need to mobilize all these people to a specific way. You need to manage hearts of people to shift them from this current state to be. You need to manage many things. So we today talk about governance themes. What are governance themes? Governance themes are different things. 9 themes. There are 9 themes. Why do we need them? Because they enable us to control the organization like a horse. Control it. Why? Because any fail in it leads to fail in organization. Okay, let's go. So governance themes. I divide the governance themes into 3 things. The people, the most important thing, and the thing that we need to arrive. So we have people, we need to manage them, to motivate them, to manage their hearts, to manage their view, and the thing that we need to achieve, to realize by a certain way. We have, this is my classification to the themes, okay? The first thing is people, how to manage the people. The first thing, people are different. So in order to manage different people, you have to unite their vision. you need to manage their vision. You need to manage how they perceive the future. And of course, in order to perceive the future, you need to let them perceive today. So the first thing is what? Vision. Vision is a science and art. So take care. Vision is a continuous process. Why? Because vision could be changed. Program is not 1, 2, 3 years. It could be 6 years. 6 years, everything will change. Look at the music. After 6 years, lots of things will be changed. Lifestyle, many things. So 6 years is a long term. So in order to have one single vision, couldn't be like that. Vision usually change, but we need to think. Change every day? No. Change each significant time. After significant time. Like what? We said last time that we have a blueprint picture. Okay? So after the first part of the picture, we can look, oh, this picture, we can achieve this. Oh, we cannot achieve. Oh, our dreams are changing. So we need to put another tranche, if you remember. So another tranche, another part of the picture. So the vision could be changed based on many circumstances, many things could be changed. So we need to manage the vision. As we said, vision is a very small statement, very understandable, sometimes could be emotion, people can feel it, can believe in it, because this is the fuel of movement. So this is the first point, which is the vision. The second point, or the second theme, which is very critical, is the leadership. So you need to have a leader to manage, to lead all of these people toward your thing that you want to achieve. So leadership, not only leadership and stakeholder. Stakeholder what? Stakeholder communication or stakeholder engagement? No, not communication, not like PMI or traditional project management approaches. We do not want to tell people we delivered that, we achieved that. No, we need to manage the heart of people, the engagement, the involvement, how the people are engaged. This is again science. So we need to think about it. We need to think about how we can manage the stakeholder hearts before managing their minds. So how to manage the stakeholder engagement? We need them to be interactive with them. We need them to take information from them. Okay, so this is the second point. The third theme, which is, of course, you have a lot of people, so you need to manage the rules, accountabilities, and responsibility of the people. So you need to have something called program organization. Program organization is about what? Is about the rules. Who is the leader? Who is the manager? Who is responsible for the change? Take care. Program management is about transformation, about changing something. You not only deliver something, but you deliver something, okay, like a software, application, module, something like that. Total quality management, okay? You deliver this thing, and you need to manage people in order to fully adapt with it. Fully adaptation is a long process. So, okay, we will implement total quality management, 6 Sigma. People come on, consultant come, start the implementation, we implement the system, but people do not accept it. People do not innovate through it. People do not harmonize themselves with it. So we need someone to manage this process, to manage the post-implementation process, what we call business change manager, BCM. So we have rules, we have different rules. We need to understand these different rules. The thing, where we are going to blueprint. We need to manage the blueprint. Blueprint, two things: blueprint design and delivery. This is our detailed dream. This is our statement dream. This is detailed dream. This is says You will work in this place after 3 years, and you will do blah 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 blah, and the software that you will use blah 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 blah, and your behavior should be like blah 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 blah, and your thinking should be like. So everyone knows how he will look like after 3 years in detail. Blueprint, as we said before, this is a picture of the future, how our process, how our everything are gonna work after 3-4 years. So blueprint, you need to manage it, to manage the blueprint process, designing it, updating it, delivering it, okay, managing it. It's a very long process. It's very critical because all of that, it's about blueprint in order to achieve what? Benefits. Where do we record the benefits? In business case. Business case. What's business case? Business case, you record all the benefits, cost of implementing benefits, risks in achieving benefits, the time of realizing benefits. So this is what we are going to do. Not only that, but also the cost. So it could replace the feasibility study. It could replace the study plan. So sometimes people have something called feasibility study, if it's feasible or not from financial perspective or something like that. But business case is mainly about what are the benefits, the pattern of the benefits, how can we realize the benefits, is it could be achieved one day or takes time, what are the plans to realize benefits. So it's mainly about benefits. So this is the future state, this is the benefits from the future state, and the cost of realizing that. So we have two mechanisms in order to achieve. So we have two things in describing what is the thing. Wait, how can we go to this way? The first thing is business case about benefits. So you need to have a plan called benefits management. You need to have benefits management. It's a very critical process. Benefits management is about after delivering the project. What's after that? Not only after, of course, it's before and after, but mainly about after. What's in post-implementation? How can we realize the benefits? Again, benefits realization is before, because you need to identify benefits first, then plan how to realize it, and then realizing these benefits. So it's mainly about how to manage the benefits process, the benefits realization. Who is responsible for that? Mainly business change manager. Why? Because there is a project manager who are responsible for delivering the output, the project, the software, the application, or the capability, any capability that organization can take, like Tokyo M6 Sigma, and someone who can take the after implementation in order to achieve the saturation level, the maturity in implementing the new thing. Okay, maybe the leading to innovation through the system, people become very skillful, very understandable to what's going on. So this is benefits management. Not only that, of course, it are different things like planning and control. Planning what? Planning the interaction between projects. This project should start this day, this project should start this day. Why? Because the deliverable of this project and deliverable of this project should come put together to be delivered to the department, the use department in this day, so that benefits manager can use the both projects and start work. So mainly about interaction between projects, this project and this project and this project. So it's about interaction between different projects and scheduling when this should start, and the control of the delivering project. That's why the main responsible guy here is a program manager, business change manager, program manager, who manage the project's interaction. The third and fourth things are very close to each other. This is about quality control, but quality control for the environment, I call it risk and issue management. So you manage the risk and issue. What are the risks of delivering the outputs, delivering the benefits, delivering the projects? So you need to manage transaction between projects and outside projects with the business change manager with the context with the department and this kind of stuff. The last thing is quality and assurance. Okay, quality and assurance management. Quality is about characteristics of the products that you'll deliver. Okay, so that the business change manager can use it. And assurance is managing, is quality control, or quality assurance is managing the process of ensuring that the process of delivering things is right. So assurance is about the quality of the process, quality is about the quality of the product. I'm sorry for using these terms because it's American and somehow I'm used to use these terms, but quality mainly in MSP is about specification of product, of what the project will deliver. Assurance is about how the project is delivered. So ensuring that how is good, what is good. Simply, this is governance themes. I have one request from you. Please try to answer this questionnaire, which is down of the video, because this is my PhD and I need to see how organizations apply these themes, and really these themes are benefit organizations or not, lead to success or not. So please help me, because this is my journey and this is my area of expertise. All my life will be in this area. So usually go to this video and go down, you find a new questionnaire. I have series of questionnaires in order to ask different things. So usually after each week, each month, please go and see the new questionnaire and answer it. Your help will help me to improve the science, hopefully improve the science of program management. Thank you very much. The next time we will talk about program organization. See you. Have a nice day.